In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the melody of this hymn, Amazing Grace. We start with the first phrase. When you start, it might be wise to put your position like this. So you will go straight for the first note, D, G. You need to stretch here. Yeah, I do it again. When you are playing this triplet, because it's quite fast, it's wise to use the rest. Okay. And now we're going to move into the second phrase. Because you want to end your last note on the D, it might be wise to shift your hand position up. Yeah. So I think the best way to do it is to shift during a long note. Yeah, D, G, shift. A, D. Now we're going to move into the third phrase. Start with B, B, D. Because it's a long note and you want to play everything later at a lower position, it might be wise to shift your hand over. Like that. Now we are going to move into the next phrase. Yeah, use the sum. And last phrase is the same as the first phrase. We put position like this. Okay, now we can put everything together. Shift here. And down. In my next video, I'm going to add in the left hand accompaniment. If you are interested, please follow my page. See you next time.